Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Here's how to apply for a loan modification with Upstart. So if you're struggling with payments, you may be qualified for a loan modification which can adjust your repayment terms. So let's get straight into it. Now the first is, what is a loan modification? Now loan modification changes the terms of your existing loan to make repayments more manageable, and this could include lower monthly payments, or it could be extended repayment period, as well as temporary payment relief. So here's how to request a loan modification. First thing you got to do is to contact Upstart's customer support ASAP before missing payments, and then you're going to need to provide details about your financial hardship, and Upstart is going to review your situation and inform you if you qualify. Now, alternative solution if you are denied. So ask about payment extensions or temporary forbearance. You also want to consider refinancing with a lower interest loan amount from another lender. So these are the options that you got, and I hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.